Okay, so now we're going to see how to add a new plant to the new fast index. So first you'll create a new plant, and we'll pretend it's this first one here in the list. This is the all new plant that we're going to add to the list. So first we need to get the alias for it, which is the address that will appear at the top. To get that, we right click, go to settings. The alias is the second field here. It's generated by the title. So we just select just the alias and copy. That's all we've done. We close this box. We haven't changed anything. Next, we want to open up that botanical index. We search. Here comes this new table version. We open that page. Right. Now, before we click anything, we want to find the green pinwheel. So normally all the content has green pinwheels. We need the green pinwheel for the table, and it's probably halfway down. So if we scroll down the page until we see it appear, and sometimes you've got to go past the middle and come back. But anyway, there's our green pinwheel. It has appeared. We go to Edit. Make the editor bigger. Type the name of the plant, which could be anywhere that you need it. I'm just going to put it up here. Okay. And we want to make that a link to your new plant. We just select the text, and then we go to the link button up here, insert edit link, click the URL, we click up here, and we just go paste, and that's basically the alias that we copied. I don't have to type that, it's copied it from before. We just say insert, and then we close this link, and then we save the page. Then you can close the tab, and we'll have a look on the front end by clicking on here to make it pop up. This index for testing is underneath botanical names under B2, just for now. If it works, we'll swap it out with the real. So we go to B2. There is Nilus Amazingus Plantus, the most incredible plant known to mankind. We click that. Ta-da! And there is Neil's plant. Beautiful, wholesome, full of truth and goodness. And that's it. Done. So you can go back here. If you want to see the full list of plants and start working on it again, you need to delete the top of the search field, press enter. All your plants come back, and you can go back and make a new one. If you want to make a new link, so we want to make a link to this one here, you repeat those steps. Right click, settings, copy the name, go back to the index, make it a link. That's it. Done. Let's see if this works well for you.